My name is Simeon Ejibiru. Before we start the Urhobo Bible reading, there are some sounds, letters, and words you need to know as we are about to start this teaching in Urhobo language. Letter A is A in Urhobo. A. Letter E is A. A. Letter E underscore dot, that is dot under E, is E. E. Letter I is E. E. Letter O is O. O. Letter O underscore dot is O. O. Letter U is U. U. D. J. E is G. G. D. J. U is Gu. Gu. E. H is A. A. H is silent. K. E underscore dot is K. 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 E is K. 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 O underscore dot is Ko. Ko. Any E is Le. Le. Any I is Ni. Ni. Any E underscore dot is Ne. Ne. MO underscore dot is Mo. Mo. PHI is We. We. RHA is Ra. Ra. RHO underscore dot is Ro. Ro. VWE underscore dot is We. We. VWO is Wo. Wo. VWU is Wu. Wu. SHA is Sha. Sha. RE underscore dot is Re. Re. RI is Ri. Ri. RE is Re. Re. FI is Fi. Fi. Okay, let's go to words. Apo means earth. Earth. Eri means spirit. Spirit. Eni means four. Four. Oni means mother in English. Mother. Ogene. Ogene means God. Imoni means brethren. Ishoshi means church. Urhobo means Lord. Jesu means Jesus. Owa means you all. Aye means woman. Ojuwu. Ojuwu means heaven. Heaven. Ose means father. Oshare means man. Igere means road. Une means song. Alright? Note, H in quote is silent for some names of people or places in Urhobo. For example, Ebruwiyo. H is silent. Eri. Ohrere. Ekwere. You can see H is silent there. ATC. Thank you. And God bless.